Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Graciela Heras. In this video I'll be showing you guys how I created this pretty winter set using glitter and snowflakes and ombre nail with this pretty blue. So if you guys would like to see how I did it, please keep on watching. So I started off with my practice hand already prepped with the tips on, and I'm using this glitter Rebellious from Secret Nail Affair. It's this really pretty glitter with purple and kind of like blue hues in it, and then I'm adding these snowflakes and some of that blue loose glitter, just kind of placing it around the nail anywhere I felt like it looked pretty in no particular order. So I am doing an ombre nail on this finger, and as always, whenever I am working with lighter colored nails or clear nails, I always start with those first, as darker colored acrylic tends to stain my monomer. So to prevent the staining from transferring to my lighter nails, I will always start off with those first and then end with the darker ones at the end to help prevent any staining from transferring. So if you guys are having trouble with your monomer being stained from your darker colored acrylics, I do recommend you guys start always doing your clear nails or your lighter nails first, and that will definitely help with that. And on the ring finger, I decided to do the same thing, except it won't be an ombre nail. It'll be the whole nail with the glitter and the snowflakes going throughout the nail, and just kind of placing them in no particular order as well, just wherever I felt it looked pretty. And as always, you guys, I will link all the products I'm using down in the description box, so don't forget to check that out. If you guys are interested in any of the products I'm using, you guys will be able to find the links down there. And here I'm going in with Mia Secret's Cover Nude Blush to do the ombre. So I place my bead up closer to the cuticle area and tap it around the cuticle to put it into place. And then I will brush it down to create the ombre. Here I'm going in with the second small bead. I felt like it needed a little more to create the ombre effect that I wanted, so I added a small bead and brushed it down the nail. And right here I will be capping my two glitter nails using Mia Secret's clear acrylic. I do grab a bigger bead, and it's a little bit more on the wetter side. It's always a good idea to get a bead more on the wet side if you are capping your chunky glitters, and this will help prevent any air bubbles forming in the nail. And here I did go back and add a second bead kind of in the center of the nail to give it more strength. Since these are on the longer side, I felt like I needed a little bit more just to give the nail more strength and more structure. And always placing my beads and tapping them into place, trying to work as neat as I can so that my nails always keep their shape. And for the other three nails, I will be using this color from Igel Beauty in New Wave. So I placed a big bead on the center of the nail, and then I will tap it around the cuticle, trying not to touch the skin. This acrylic was super easy to work with. The consistency was really nice. It was really nice because it really gave me time to play with it and it wasn't runny at all. So it was nice because I was able to do the whole nail with the one bead. So I just kind of tapped it down the nail, and then once I liked the placement, I would brush it down and clean my sides. And on the pinky finger, I decided to do another ombre using the same blue. So I placed a small bead kind of on the center of the nail and then feathered it up a little bit and then tapped it down the nail. And here I'm going in with the same nude that I used on my other nail from Mia's Secret, and I placed a small bead up near the cuticle, and then I'm tapping it into place, trying not to get it on the cuticle. And then once I like the placement, I will brush it down the nail to create the ombre. And then here I am adding a little bit of that glitter from Secret Nail Affair. I'm in love with this glitter, you guys. It's super pretty. Here I am just placing it kind of on a slanted angle and then kind of just feathering it in the ombre so it blends nicely. And for the thumb, I decided to do a solid blue nail as well. And here I am placing my bead and then just tapping it, placing it around the cuticle, and then tapping it down the nail to cover my whole nail. And then once I'm done with my colored acrylic application, I do go in and cap those nails with Mia Secrets Clear. So here's how the nails look before I file and shape them. So for my filing, I am starting off with my medium grit safety bit with my e-file, and I always start off on the sides of my nails and then kind of work my way up to the cuticle area, going around the cuticle, trying to be very gentle not to touch the skin so I don't cut my client. And once I'm done with the cuticle area, I will go back and forth down the nail, trying to get it as smooth as I can. So my camera did die on me, guys, so I couldn't record the full clip of me shaping the nails, but once I filed and shaped them, I rinsed the nails off to get rid of all the dust. And here I'm going in with jewelry gel to place my stones. I just did a small little accent design with the stones, and once I liked the placement and I was happy with it, I do cure it in the lamp for 30 seconds. And before placing it in the lamp, I do go in with a small detail brush and some alcohol on it, just to get rid of any excess gel that may be left behind. So I just kind of feather it out a little bit and then cure it. And here I'm going in with Koopa's gel top coat. And as always guys, when you do have stones on your nails, you always want to go around them, never on top of them, as that will take away their shine and their shape. Are you guys loving that glitter from Secret Nail Affair? I really loved it. I love how it has the iridescent glitters in there. It's super pretty. And once I cured the nails, this is how the design turned out. Super pretty with the glitters and the snowflakes, and that blue was really pretty as well. If you guys did like the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching.